Okay, last problem here. So again, let's take a look at our diagram and fill in some things that we can from what we've been given, and then take a stab at finding what they're looking for, okay? All right. I know that if this is a 70-degree angle over here, then this angle 4 is going to be 1/2 of that 70 degrees, so it's going to be a 35-degree angle. Likewise, this angle right here intercepts the same arc, so it's going to be congruent. So that's also going to be 35. And if I wanted to find the measure of this angle right here, I could just take 35 from 95, and that would make this a 60-degree angle. All right. So based on that, I also know that these are alternate interior angles, because if this is parallel to this, if this is 35 degrees, this is going to be 35 degrees. That's going to make this 70 degrees over here as well. Okay? So based on this, we can start to fill in some missing information and take it from there. So if this is a 60-degree angle, I know that this is going to be 120 degrees. So that, of course, would make this 60 degrees. Now, if I add 70 plus 70 plus 120, that's going to give me 260. And if I subtract that from 360, that's going to give me the measure of AB. So this is going to be 100 degrees up here. Okay? So that helps me with that. All right, so I know that the measure of arc AB is 100 degrees. I know that the measure of arc BC is 70 degrees. I know that the measure of arc CD is 120 degrees. Okay, I know that the measure of angle 1 is 60 degrees. I know that the measure of angle 2 would also be 35 degrees because it's 1/2 of that 70. All right. I know that the measure of angle 3 would be 50 degrees because it's going to be 1/2 of that 100. I know that angle 4 is 35 degrees. I know that angle 5 is 35 degrees. And then finally, I know that angle 6 would be 50 degrees because it's going to be 1/2 of that 100 as well. Okay?